Hi, welcome back tutorial 3, I believe. Okay, so we are working on a door. This is an exterior door. Typically they'll be 3 feet wide. So we're going to offset, press enter, and we're going to set it up 3 feet. Enter. Okay, we're going to offset this little line in that direction. Okay, we're going to trim TR. Okay, we're going to select all of these. Okay, and we're going to get rid of that, and that, and that, and that. Okay, so that leaves us a space in the walls for the door. We need to draw a symbol for a door. Okay, we can start off with a circle. C for circle. Okay, we're going to start our circle right on this inside corner here, the intersection or the end point of that line. Okay, we're going to make the radius of our circle the distance between our doors, so we're going to snap onto that point right there. We're going to draw a line, so L for line. We're going to start the line right at the end point of those two lines. Okay, so snap there. We have ortho on, okay, and we are just going to, we could snap right to the, actually we can, right to the or the radius of that circle, 36 inch. Okay, we're going to go straight up in this direction. Okay, just let AutoCAD know you're going in that direction and that you're going straight up, and then punch 2, okay, for 2 inches, and then enter. Okay, so it drew that line straight up for 2. We're going to bring AutoCAD back in the X direction. There's a lot of ways of doing this, but here we're just going to press 36 or 3 feet, enter, and then back down to where we started, enter. Okay, escape out of the line command, and there we've just drawn the door, okay, the slab itself. We've shown it in the full open position. Okay, we are going to trim TR. Okay, we will select this line and this line for our trim. Okay, press spacebar or enter, and it's asking what do we want to get rid of. Well, we'll get rid of this portion of the circle. Okay, there's a symbol for a door, an exterior door. Okay, there's 2 other things I wanted to tell you about. We just talked about the line. There's a number of ways of drawing lines. Here we started with a rectangle and we exploded into lines. We could have started just with the line command, L for line, picked a point here, okay, gone in this direction, 20 foot 5 inches, enter. Okay, again in this direction, 20 foot 5 inches. Okay, enter, and back down. Okay, 20 foot 5, enter. Okay, and then we can close it up by just clicking on the intersection, perpendicular, or you can see I've got all sorts of O-snaps going on here to tell me that I'm clicking onto the end of that line. Okay, and that's fine. I just press escape to get out of the line command. Okay, we could offset, okay, 6 inches. Okay, and we can offset that direction, that direction, that direction. Notice how I'm always in the offset command. Okay, I have to press spacebar or enter to get out of it. We could F for fillet and clean up these lines. Okay, filleting with a radius of 0 so that it's a square fillet. Okay, so you can see that's another way of doing it. We can move over here and we can use a P line, okay, a polyline, PL. Okay, so yep, that got us into the polyline command. Again, we can click anywhere. We can go up here to 20 foot 6, enter, over 20 foot 6, down into 20 foot 6, and we could actually press C for close, and it would have closed that polyline. Maybe we should do that. Okay, so we'll go over in this direction, 20 foot 6, enter. Okay, back down 20 foot 6, enter. Okay. And then all we would have to, if you look down at the bottom of the command prompt, you'll see you have a lot of choices down there again, but one of them is close, so C for close, and then press enter, and it just closes that polyline. So when we do this center one with lines, they're all separate. Okay. When we drew this polyline, it's just like the rectangle. Okay. It's one complete unit. And if we were to offset 6 inches, okay, I'll just accept that. Click on this, bring it to the inside, and there we are again. Okay, so a couple different ways we could have done that. I'm going to concentrate on this drawing that we've got the door on. The next thing I want to talk to you about is layers. So AutoCAD, a lot of other programs provide you with different layers to put different objects on. Layers can be turned on and off as your drawing gets heavier and heavier with more detail. Sometimes you like to turn layers off so it's easier to draw in it. Okay, so we've left the layers toolbar up at the top. It's as easy as one of these is just going to get us to the layers command. No player layers. I'm not sure what these do. I'm relatively new to 2011. I'm going to stick to the command prompt, and I'm just going to type in layers and enter. LA. Well, not seem to. Oh. Okay, well, layers got us into the dialog box that I'm looking for. Let's close it and see what else works here. What's this one? Oh, there it is right there on the left hand side. Okay, so that's the layers dialog box. Again, you can type in. I wonder what happens here when you type in LA, enter. Oh, that brings it up as well. So there's 3 different ways of doing it. Now, I'm going to try one more item here. I'm going to go down in my command prompt and I'm going to type underscore, underscore, LA, enter. Okay, I'm going to type in underscore, LAYER. Okay, I don't seem to have layers on the command prompt, which the way I draw, I'm going to have to find it because I use it a lot. Okay, we're in the layers dialog box. Can we make it bigger? Sure. Okay, where's new? Filtering. Up here. Okay, where's the little button for new layers? I'll use layers. What's this? No, it's not going to tell me. Oh, made a new layer. Okay, we'll use that. And we're going to call this layer wall. Okay. Now, this light bulb says that it's on. Light bulb, I could turn it here to freeze or lock it. It's telling me that the color of this layer is white. I should be able to double click. Okay, now I can get different colors. Okay, well, we're going to pick something very light so that you can see it when we're doing the video. Pick that color right there. Okay, okay. That's changed everything that'll be on the wall layer will be that color. Line weight. Okay, well, we're going to leave all of these other things for now until we get to plotting. Okay, or printing. Okay. Okay, we made a layer. Let's hit that fancy little button again, and let's make another layer called door. And let's change it to, again, we want to stick with light colors. Let's try that one. Okay. And okay, good enough for now. How do I say okay here? Okay. Now here, Yeah, when I scroll down, there's my different layers. Okay, let's select all of these items. Go down here to the wall layer and just click on wall. And there you go. Everything's been switched. You can tell by the color. Okay, you can see here that what we've been drawing on is layer 0. Okay, layer 0 is white. It's kind of the default layer. I can do another thing. Let's try MP here. Okay, we did an automatic save, so that might have overrun our MP. Let's try it again. Unknown command, MP. Okay, let's try and match prop. Okay, that worked. So that's the match properties command. We just have to set up the short abbreviation, the alias, to MP. Okay, now that we're in that command, we're going to select any line that's on the wall layer. You can see how we have the paintbrush, and we're going to just change all of the other lines here, okay, to the wall layers. Okay, this line can go, and that line can go. Okay, I'm going to press spacebar or enter to get out of it. Okay, these little puppies here, if I zoom closer in here, we're going to put these on the door layer. Okay, and so let's select them. Okay, and go up here to door. Okay. Okay, I can't do MP. I'm just going to quickly change. Okay, so tools, customize, Autocad. Okay, get down here to match properties. Where are you? Match properties. MA, they said. Okay, well, let's change that to MP. MP. Okay, save. Reinit. I wonder if reinit is RI. Unknown command. Reinit. Okay, PGP file. Okay, match properties, MP. Okay, now where it's working. Okay, like I said, you can set AutoCAD up to draw like you do. I'm just going to erase these other rectangles. Okay, erase the rest of these lines. Okay, so we've talked about layers. We've put some things on a different layer. There's a couple of things we can do here in the properties. If we click on this line, the properties is telling us that the color is by layer. Okay, that the line type is by layer. Okay, and that the thickness of the line, how it's going to plot, is by layer. Okay, so let's go into those layers. Okay, and we need to load a line type here. So we'll click on continuous. Down at the bottom it said load different line types. These are some line types that come with AutoCAD. I think 15 minutes is up, so I'm just going to get out of all of this and wait for the next video. I think I forgot to set the alarm clock. Okay, bye for now.